Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you a complete OneSignal ecosystem from understanding the platform to integrating it in your React Native app. So let's focus on OneSignal Dashboard and understand what segments and journeys are. Now, you might be thinking what exactly is OneSignal? Well, OneSignal is not just a push notification tool, it's a complete customer engagement platform that supports push plus email as well as re engagement messages, allowing you to reach your user with the right message at the perfect moment. So, what makes OneSignal so powerful? Let's take a look of its key features. First, it provides a push notification. Second, it supports email messaging. Third, you can create a segment to group user based on the behavior. Fourth, it offers Journey, which allows you to automate messages flows and personalize your user experience. Fifth, it supports re-engagement messaging. Sixth, it provides a template allowing you to quickly send messages. And finally, OneSignal includes analytics, helping you to track performance and understand engagement. Alright, let's log into OneSignal. So here you can just log in with Google and you can start with a free account. Once you log in, you'll get a dashboard. Before creating a journey, let's first understand the segments. Segments are basically a group of users that are filtered based on condition. Now let's create a segment. So now let's create a new segment. So after naming the segment, you can just select the user tag or whatever you want, and for now I'm selecting the user tag, and then I'll create a simple scenario called walkthrough complete is false, and now your segment is active. Now let's move on to journeys. Journey allows us to create automated messages flow, basically to send the message based on user behavior. Here we can start from scratch or use pre-built template like onboarding, promotion or re-engagement flow. So for now we'll start from scratch. Once the journey opens, you can see the two blocks, entrance and exit. Click on entrance block and this is where you define the journey name, and this is where we define the journey name, and then click on next. Under entry rules, you need to select the segment whichever you have created now and click on save. Now let's design the flow. Click the plus icon and add the wait block. This delay allows time for user to complete the action. If they did not complete the action within the set time, like 10 minutes or 1 hour, the next step will be automatically triggered. Action either push notification or emails. For now I'll be using push notification, so you can just create a push notification and whatever requirement steps we add there, you just complete that and then create a new template for the push and then click on save. Now let's go to the entrance block again and open the re-enter rules and select the second option there. If the user did not meet the condition, he can re-enter the journey and receive the another notification after the specific time. And then we can set your journey live. Let's jump to the code. So code, you just import that OneSignal and then we call OneSignal initialize and then pass our ID there. So this will connect our mobile to OneSignal dashboard. So next we are going to request for the notification permission and then we get a player ID and a push token which are unique identifier for the user. Alright, now let's quickly look at another screen. So this is a screen where we perform the actual action that decides where the segment where user belongs to one signal. So based on the user journey logic, we create a segment like walkthrough complete in OneSignal dashboard. So here the app where the setting tag depends on the user action. So based on whatever segment we created in the dashboard, we will set that tag here. Once the tag is assigned, OneSignal understands which group of user belongs to and automatically trigger the journey flow from the dashboard. And that's it. Now our React Native app is fully connected with OneSignal dashboard through user tags. We have linked the walkthrough action with the segment we created And once the user condition matches, the journey will automatically trigger and you will receive the push notification on your real device. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this video.